Hello, everyone. How are you doing? Today, I'm excited to take you on a unique journey into the world of elegance and style with Sayabling, a brand that offers some of the most stunning jewelry pieces. Whether you're looking for a touch of sophistication for your everyday look or something special for a big occasion, this video is for you. That's not all. In honor of the new year, I have dedicated this code RVIP20 for you to get a 20% discount on any order, your chance to get amazing jewelry at unbeatable prices. Visit the Sayabling website to explore their entire collection. You'll find something for everyone, from dazzling rings and elegant earrings to gorgeous bracelets. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description below to see the specific items I'll be talking about today. Let's start with this stunning ring set. The design is elegant and modern, blending classic and bold elements. These rings are perfect for both everyday looks and special occasions, thanks to their intricate details and polished finish. You can wear them as a set for a statement look or choose one to complement your outfit, making them highly versatile. They look amazing with a casual outfit or even a simple evening dress. I made the mistake of ordering the wrong size and got a larger fit, but that was entirely my fault. Make sure to your size before placing your order. These earrings are a must-have for anyone who loves simplicity with a touch of elegance. They feature a lightweight and delicate design, making them perfect for all-day wear. Suitable for any occasion, whether it's a day at work or a party with friends. They also make a wonderful gift. The earrings have a subtle shimmer that adds a radiant glow to your face. This bracelet is the perfect accessory to complete any outfit. Its simple and elegant design adds a touch of beauty to your wrist without being over the top. Crafted with high-quality materials, it's designed to last and maintain its shine over time. It pairs wonderfully with a wristwatch, or can be worn on its own for a sleek and elegant look. Which piece did you like the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd also love to hear about your experience if you decide to make a purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any updates. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up.